Thanks for joining me. So, we have been working a lot with words and listening for the sounds that we hear in words. And we have gotten really good at hearing the sounds at the beginning of words. But those aren't the only sounds in words. There are also sounds at the end of words, right? And we need to listen for all of those sounds to figure out how we write the word. So listen to these words that I'm going to say right now and tell me what you notice. Duck, sock, cake, book, milk, magic. What did you notice in those words? Duck, sock, cake, book, milk, and magic. You're right! They all sound the same at the end. And what sound is that? K. It's the sound of the letter K. We hear that in the word duck. Duck. We hear it in the word book. Book. What other words can you think of that end with the sound K? Well, you're going to have a chance to find some of those words over on Seesaw. So head over there and show me what you know. All right, friends, I can't wait to see all your hard work.